Today, I want to say that yesterday evening was a heavy rainfall. Heavy rainfall in the Rongmala base because many of the family has been already destroyed their home because ice fall, and many of family was lying over the school ground. They was just lying over the school. In the school, they was lying on the school because many of family has been destroyed all their homes. So I want to just see with that. Many family was lying over the school because they are homeless nowadays because their home all was destroyed by the ice fall. So that I want to discuss about this matter to the Indian government, and many of the people around 1,000 to 10,000 people was lying on over the school, Rongmala High School. So that as the Indian government must see this matter regarding this homeless people, because their home was already ice fall yesterday evening, heavy rain and then ice fall. Last evening they was lying on the bed, just school in the school, heavy rainfall. So I just want before the government must over to see this matter regarding this matter. Not only this thing, even already the home also district. I can see even the footage also. Even already not able to Rongmala school, but a villager also already destroyed the home and villager. So government should take this action regarding this matter. So everyone are lying, they are homeless nowadays. They are just lying on about the school. So I want just only. Actually, the member are also lobbying over here, and then this is all a man over here. Is working for taking care of this. Our member, she was taking over here, and then please can you tell your name? Bikram Devna, she is looking over here.
Hambai Jodona, Chini Hall Kutum Jorawa, Chingoro Chini High School, Rongmala High School, Dunamon Wa High School, Chini Rongmala High School, Chini the Coastal Climate by Nok Hamyamani by the Coastal Clay, Salai Konai, Tui Chimon Flajaka, the Cassari Salayoy, the Hop to the Salayoy, Chinisin the Salai money. Cost of 2 years, Jaka, cost of Hay, Tambuyo, Nanka, the Melon Nanka. I want to Dusty Maran Bagation, Kinika Hamni, Bagay, some Jotono Saw, some cost of place, and the Maya Saxini Manta, Maya Saxon, some authority. For Nati, the Rongmala High School, yes, for Nati, the kind of money, some Omakan Tom Night. I want to notice ni Jamunson, Jotono, Focus Katomoson, Jotono, already Dilly Punkton, Notice Punkton, Kiprani, Jotono, some Sagato, some Tata, Chinamanta, and Bagay, some Knox, some Nango, some Knock Nango, Tin Nango, some Oma Sapini, Rongmala High School is in Teloria. Some that, some dial but from tonight, my body from side tonight, say neck, I put on my sympathy. For nothing. I'm by.
Even here, from here, political member, she was saying that, he clearly said that we are just supporting as the government also, but we don't get any power of this person because we all need power, and then the power, and we need to get a grievance, and we need get the facility also. But here it is government power, but we don't get any facility. Many of people are lying over here, and then there is no support also in the government. As we want only the ask from the Indian government, so people are lying over here, and then as the power of the Indian government should look after this matter, so that I just want to inform to the Indian government, so that I want to inform to notice information at this, so you can inform to the Indian government. So that this is only the member, she is talking about this matter, and then she is looking after this all the guardians peoples, so in the villages. So I want to inform to all the notice information, so that you can see all the members. They are lying over the beds here, and then many of the people, they are like homeless people nowadays because they are already broken out. So I only want to inform that many of the homeless people nowadays, they don't even have the they don't have any the home also nowadays. They are homeless now, lying just on the school ground. Just they are believing they are homeless. Thank you, sir. I will contact you nowadays. I'm just going the footage some simple. So I want to share all this thing to all our Indian audience. news so that they are still living on this school under the school because they are heavy rainfall. All the people always get fall for that reason. So I want to request all the government also to look after all the audience and because all the things here. So I want to talk to all these things because they are living on the school. So heavy rainfall is at night also, and then as full heavy rainfall for the region. Many of the family members already lying over here, and the beds already government also last meeting is matter. So they are lying on the school ground. So under the bench also they are lying on over here. So I want to just look after the audience and just many of people just thinking they were all family members. So I just want to even the cameraman please keep it this thing, they are just lying over here and they are just sleeping on the school on the ground. So the Tripura government doesn't see this matter because of also because they are just lying over here. No matter, just not can say that. See, they have been just crying for the member also. Because this is a new method of the government of after the government of so I want to just capture this area was captured by Rongmala and village member, and then they were evident for yesterday night. Running better, I'm just not a
Wag tang nok naya bơ. Marfu sau khor ni watu borap so watu.